What makes an argument convincing? This is the problem that our project is attempting to solve. Specifically, we want to make a computer program that can predict how convincing an argument is. This is a very hard problem, and one of the main reasons is context, specifically social context. For example, a person may give a terrible argument, but it might convince people anyway, because they're really well respected in their community. In order to try to solve this problem, we use a dataset scraped from the Reddit Change My View forum, which was originally created by Tan et al. In their paper Winning Arguments. In the Reddit Change My View forum, posters make an opinion, a post with an opinion they have, and then challenge people to try to change their view on the opinion. This has several really good benefits. First of all, most of the arguments are in good faith, meaning people actually are open to having their mind changed. Second of all, the data is really easy to label, because in this forum, when the original poster changes their mind, they post a specific symbol, a delta, indicating that their mind was changed. And then we can simply look at these labels programmatically. Finally, the anonymity of Reddit reduces the social confounds we talked about before, because instead of actual people, it's just screen names talking. Using this dataset, we set up a binary classification task, where, given an original post and a set of replies to that post, we attempt to predict whether that set of replies changed the original poster's view.
So the features we're using to do that are as follows. Interplay is how many certain types of words are in common between the OP text and the replies. The discourse markers, which is the overlap of these sets shown here with the text. Pronouns, overlap of those sets with the text. Articles, the use of articles in the text. And the format, length, and punctuation of the texts, and how often they use links. So, after playing around with these features, these are the ones that produced the best results. Notice that only a subset of the discourse markers and the pronouns features actually made the cut. The features that came out to not be that successful is, at the top, the overlap of the text with a set of positive and negative sentiment words. Not only was the processing long, but it also showed no improvements when we incorporated it. Then we have the pronouns and discourse markers. Some of these permutations didn't work out that well. For example, the use of second-person pronouns in the root reply text. So this is a graph of the individual best results working in isolation plus the best combination of them. That's the bar second from the right. Notice that our best is almost as good as the Tan et al. Paper represented by the far right bar. So looking ahead, we're going to try to improve our performance on the root reply task by mining other papers that we read for their features. We're going to do dependency parsing. Tan et al. Didn't do this at all, so hopefully we can surpass their 65% baseline by using this. And then we're going to tackle the OP only task, which is looking at the original post and predicting whether any reply will change the OP's mind. It's a far more challenging task, as evidenced by the fact that Tan et al. Only ever reached 54% success. Thanks for listening, and we hope you liked our project. We look forward to better results as we continue to crack the persuasiveness prediction task.